The Culturegrams database includes information about world countries, U.S. states, and Canadian provinces. To access the site, go to the virtual library site and select Elementary. Scroll down to the Research Resources and find the links for Culturegrams. You will need your Library Go barcode to log in. It is 2209-1600 plus your ID number. There are 4 sections in Culturegrams: World Edition, which talks about countries; Kids Edition, which is simplified versions of the country reports; States Edition, which talks about the United States; and Provinces Edition, which talks about Canadian provinces and territories. In the World Edition, you can find your country by selecting on the map, clicking a continent, or typing in the search bar. Every country report includes information about background, people, customs and courtesies, lifestyle, society, and at a glance. On the right, you'll have additional tools. You can listen to the article. You can log in and save the article to your Google Drive. If you would like to switch to the Simplified Kids Edition, you can click there. You can also print the full report, or view the full report, or email the report. For multimedia resources, you can go to the More Features section, where you would find a photo gallery, videos, slideshows, interviews, famous people, and recipes. Below that are some additional tools. Teachers, there are many resources for you. Check out the teaching resources at the bottom. You can access multimedia resources without picking a country by using the menu bar at the top. You can choose things such as photos, slideshows, videos, and more. To get back to all of the listings, you can click the Culturegrams link at the top. Here's a look at the Kids Edition, so you can compare what the resources look like. And the States Edition. For States Edition, again, you can search in the search bar, click the map, or click the state listing. States all have the topics: the place, history, the people, cultural notes, and fun facts and contacts. They also include the flag, the motto, and the map for each state, which is similar to the information in the Provinces Edition. Be sure to check out this great resource.